Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am taking a look at the Mierside women's red purple plus size sexy printed Demi bra. I actually ordered this in a much larger size because people said it wasn't fitting as expected. So it's actually a Demi bra. It has really nice support. It's got a cute little charm there in the middle, which is really cute. It's really supportive. It actually has like nice lined cups, and it's got this pretty lace detail on it. And like I said, I knew I was ordering it from China. I also got the underwear to go with it, which also has the matching lace on it. So the style is basically an everyday bra. It's not necessarily a push-up bra. It's supposed to be a Demi bra, which is why I ordered it in a size larger than my size, also because I know a lot of the bras that I've bought from China end up being a lot smaller than American women's chests. So I actually ordered myself a 40 triple D, where I'm just usually a 38 double D. So I ordered this in 40 triple D, and the support type is an underwire. It has an underwire, which you can see here. It's a 3/4 cup bra, but for me in the bigger size, it fits more like an actual full cup bra, which is actually really nice. So if you're going to order one of these, I would order it in a size larger than your normal cup size, just because, like I said, it came from China. It was a little small. I mean, the ones that I've gotten before are a little small. This one definitely would have been small had I ordered it in my size, but I ordered it in a bigger size, and I'm happy with the underwear. I'm really happy with the bra. It's super comfortable, lays nicely under clothes, really great. It's got a cute decoration of lace, which is nice. It's not attached, but it's a nice cute little decoration. They have they have about 6 colors of these. It's highly rated. I highly rate it. I think it's a great bra, and the price point is not super high, which is even better because who wants to spend a ton of money on bras? So like I said, I think it's got 3 hooks. Yeah, 3 hooks in the back. Not a 4-hook bra, so it's not like over the shoulder boulder holder, but it's a nice bra and underwear set. Like I said, not too expensive. The underwear you purchase separately. They're really size inclusive. These, I guess they call them plus size. I guess that's what they think of us in China. I don't know. The closure back is a back closure with 3 hook and eye, and the strap type is an adjusted strap type with non-convertible straps. So that's something to note. It's just a regular strap that you can adjust for up and down for lift or whatever. So I found this to be, I'm really happy with this product. I think it's a really great product. It's, like I said, it's a really great pair of bra and underwear, and it's always nice to have matching things. I know most of us go mixed with whatever we can grab out of our underwear drawer, but sometimes it's nice to actually have a matching pair, so when you're going out or something like that. So yeah, the Mierside women's red purple plus size sexy printing Demi bra, customers have responded to it really well. They gave it a really good rating, and I would give this 4.5 out of 5 stars. I mean, for the money and for the shape and the comfort, and I mean, I actually felt today like I wasn't really even wearing anything. I think that's something that's to note. It's just a cute, fun print. I love purple, so I don't have any purple bras, but now I do. So it's really great set. Like I said, they're sold separately, but mostly this bra, the only thing you have to be aware of is that it takes a little time to ship. So it takes a couple weeks to get to you, but mine came wrapped in a really strange bubble. It was like in a balloon, so it was very, very cushioned and safe and got here good and in good shape. So definitely check this out. And once again, the Mierside women's red purple plus size sexy printing demi bra is what they call it. So check it out and don't take my word for it, try it yourself. Thanks so much for watching.